Okay, so hello and welcome guys to this video. So if you are an A-level math student appearing in May, June 2026 and giving these components P1 and P3 for pure maths or S1 and S2 for stats. So if you are appearing for these components in May, June series, so I would urge you guys to quickly join these tutoring sessions as soon as possible since there are very limited spots left, and the sooner you begin the better your prep will be for the upcoming May June series exams, right? So as you guys know, these tutoring sessions will be one-to-one classes, allowing for full individual focus, and obviously the full syllabus of the components will be covered in these classes along with the appropriate past year practice, and obviously notes and resources will be provided to the student as well. So join them quickly by contacting me on the given number, WhatsApp number, right? So encourage your friends as well to join. And if you know someone who is giving these papers, 11 math exams in the manual series, do share it with them as well, right? So this is for A-level maths and for these components, P1 and P3 and S1 and S2, right? And as far as O-level maths, IGCSE maths is concerned, or ADMAS is concerned, you can again contact me on the same number given below, uh, right, for these tutoring sessions. And so I'll see you in class. We'll meet you in class. Bye.